Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. In this video, I'm going to show you how I got this super cute bubble ponytail that I've been seeing all over Instagram, all over YouTube. I've been wanting to try this for months now and I think it's super cute. I did it on my naturally curly hair, so if you guys are interested in seeing how I did this, then make sure you keep on watching and let's just get started. So this is what my hair is looking like right now. I don't even know what day it is since I washed it, like how many days it's been since I washed my hair. But honestly, it doesn't even matter because my hair has just been in ponytails and braids and buns. I don't remember the last time that I had like a good curly hair day where I left my hair out, because my hair has just been a hot mess. Like, obviously it's my fault because I keep messing with it, and yeah, I'm in dire need of a cut and definitely a color. But anyway, so because my hair hasn't been like looking its best, I've been trying to find different ways to style it, and I've been wanting to do this bubble ponytail, but I only ever see it done on like straight hair, blown out hair, or just like fake hair. And I was like, let me just see what it's gonna look like on my curly hair, even though these curls don't look the best right now. But I don't know, we'll see how it looks. Hopefully it looks cute. If not, it's literally 10 p.m. and I'm going to sleep after I finish this video, so it doesn't really matter. But here we are, trying to make YouTube videos. Content, baby. But I'm going to be doing a side part because I kind of already had one going on. So I'm just going to slick down my hair and just make this part a little neater. Alright, so my part is looking pretty good. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Now I'm just going to go in with this moisturizing cocoa water to kind of hydrate my hair a little bit. And it is from the brand KarecCo. And I'm just going to go ahead and spray this all over. This is hard to spray, like, I don't know, something's wrong with the nozzle, but it's just dripping everywhere. Next, I'm just gonna go in with this Tangle Buster Styler from KarecCo. It has the boar bristles and the nylon, so it's good for styling your hair like this. So I'm just using whatever's left in this cannabis edge fixer from Kiss. Literally this little mini size, it's basically empty. I'm gonna put that at the front of my hair and at my part. Okay, and of course I'm gonna be using my Bolt Hold hair ties from Goody. My arms hurt. Okay, so I just did a little bit of baby hairs, nothing crazy, but I do want to have that like wrap around my ponytail, that like when you get your hair professionally done or whatever, they have this really pretty wrap that makes the ponytail look fake even if it's not fake. That's how I want it to look. So I'm just going to take a piece of hair out like that much, and I'm going to wet it using the cocoa water. And I'm going to brush it out with the Tangle Buster. Actually, I'm going to leave this part for last, so I'm just going to twist it and leave it here. So let's get into the fun part. I am going to dampen my hair with the cocoa water. I'm gonna lose this piece. I'm gonna wrap it like that. But I'm gonna dampen my ponytail with the cocoa water. I'm trying not to get it on my couch. All right, then I'm gonna go in with this Curls Be Enviable Creamy Curl Gel and put this all over my ponytail.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm gonna start going in with the rubber bands. I don't know how many bubbles I'm gonna do. Maybe I'll turn to the side a little bit so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I want the bubbles to be like a little big, so I'm gonna try to do less rubber bands, but I'm not even like wrapping them around. I'm literally just putting it on top of the ponytail.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm gonna wrap this piece around. I'm gonna add some of that gel. Okay, so this is the final look. I had to throw on some earrings because I feel like I just look so empty with my hair pulled back. But I really like the way that this came out. Obviously I have like some curls popping through, but I think it looks really cute. I love it. This is probably gonna be like my go-to hairstyle because it's cute. Hopefully you can see it. And then the back. I really like this. I think this is so cute. It's definitely like an elevated version of a regular ponytail, so definitely try it out. You don't have to straighten your hair to achieve these little trendy, cute hairstyles. Like, you can do it with your curly hair. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so you know every single time I post a new video. And I'll see you next time. Bye! I just smacked the out of my leg.